Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Keremen pat. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police jangka East Khas Hills District, Uba Vivek Ïing, ulai tu bagi pulit kila register kes, ya ka Jingïap bajia Lapalang, hakapasan Ngut kibri kula yap, hakapong Ulai tu ru bala Khot Hajir ki Trai, bat yo Kontraktor uba pentrai ya kani kakam panjing Shah naki yamanta ulong bagi pulit kidang up ya ka kaipot na kitanat baper kum naka water resources naka state pollution control board ban pet la kadan yang bajing bakla naka liang jing kitrai bat u Kontraktor pat hading kata kinsale ya kaptan kam.
The incident which happened on Friday last, an unfortunate one indeed, where 5 people died in a well, as you've seen that in the papers, that they died of carbon monoxide poisoning. A case has been registered under 106 for negligence leading to death, and section 51 of the Natural Disaster Act. And the 2 people who have been imputed out here is the owner of the premises, Ïing, and contractor Marshal Bina. They have been summoned today under 33(3) BNSS, and they have been examined, statements recorded. This case investigation is on, and we are waiting for the opinions from different departments like pollution, water resources, and all that, and to see if there's any negligence on the part of the owner and the contractor. And after we get these opinions from them, as they've already visited the spot on Saturday, then we will take a call as to how the fate of the case.
They have not been detained.
No, it's a case under 7 years. Notices have been issued.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.